on tight. Unknown brain, remind me, baby, let's do it.
You see me flying, never drop down, smoking high and I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high and I am not round, I'm not round.
And what's up, guys? It's your boy Austin, and we're back. I'm gonna try getting back in the habit of posting YouTube videos and some more vlog content for you guys as much as I can. We've just been super busy, but we're back today, and what we got going on today is we had a customer drop off their truck to get a 1,000 piece kit for a Starlight headliner. So it's 1,000, it's gonna be 1,000 strands, fiber optics. It's 1,000 piece Starlight headliner kit. It's early in the morning, sorry guys. I haven't even finished my coffee. But they dropped the truck off last night. We're getting started on it today, and here's what we got. This is what's gonna be going in the truck, so check it out. So as you can see here, this is the Starlight headliner kit that we are going to be putting in the truck. It is a 1,000 piece kit, RGBW, and then right here, I don't want to touch it up too much until I get gloves on, but this is the new fabric that is going to be going inside of the truck. If you come around over here, oh, by the way, we did get some 26s. So the 26s are going on my Ram. We should have tires on them, I'd say, within the next week or so. But this is the customer's truck right here, guys, that he had dropped off last night. If you guys want to go give him a shout out on Instagram or go drop him a follow, his at is It's Tyler, ITZ Tyler. But like I said, we're gonna do the black suede on the headliner. It'll really match his black interior. The only thing he would have to do is go through at that point, really, and if he wanted to, is paint the trim panels black, and then he would have a full black interior. I think that would look really good. But yeah, we're gonna be doing a 1,000 piece kit. As you can see, we already got started. We got the front seats out and whatnot, and I don't think we're gonna have to pull the back seats on this because it's got the 3-piece bench seat in the front, like so, with the flip up center console and whatnot. So we might not have to. If we do, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. But this is what we got so far, guys. We did this in about like 10-15 minutes. So this thing is actually a pretty decent looking truck. It's a pretty clean rig. Now I'm excited to see the turnout of this 1,000 piece kit. So we know it's going to be a lot of stars. We're going to try to implement some sort of design, maybe like his name or his Instagram handle or something into it. We're gonna see what we can do and then just go from there. So hope y'all stick around to the end of this video and you'll see the final product. So peace out for now, guys. And just like that, we're rolling into the next clip, guys, and this is what we've got done so far. So we've pretty much got the headliner out. We're cleaning up all the old like the insulation foam on the back of the headliner right now. But this is what we've got done. We got the headliner out, and then these 3rd gen Rams, it's not too complicated, but it is a lot of tedious work, a lot of being careful because the plastics are older, they're more brittle, so you just got to be careful and take your time. So we got that headliner out. It is in the garage right now. We got the truck closed up, no reason to have it open while we are doing this part of the install. Like I said, here's the headliner. We got the back cleaned up, and then this is the front side, like the side that you will actually see. So this is the side that you will see when you're sitting in the truck, and we're gonna be redoing this with black suede that I had showed you previously. We got it sitting over there. It's got a couple small wrinkles in it, so I rolled it up and tried to, so that way it can sit for a second and try to get the wrinkles out. But we might even be able to cut the wrinkles off. It could be as access. So it's only got like 2 small wrinkles towards like the end of the fabric, so it's nothing crazy. But we're gonna go through, and I already started right there. We're gonna take a wire wheel on the drill, and we're gonna get all this old stuff off, because if you don't get this stuff off right here, guys, it's not gonna stick, it's not gonna set, and eventually the headliner will start falling down and it's just gonna look tacky. So take the extra time, clean off this foam. It's not gonna, it might take you 20 minutes at most. So you're gonna thank yourself for spending the extra 20 minutes to clean off this foam, guys. So once we clean off this foam, we're gonna get it all cleaned off. Then we'll spray the glue and we'll start working the fabric on there. And that fabric actually comes with this foam. So that's what it is, guys. And I'm gonna roll a time lapse of me cleaning up this and enjoy. So guys, just like that, we got a quarter of it done. I'm gonna get the shop back out and go ahead and get some of this stuff cleaned up here. And then we're gonna keep rocking away at it. I really recommend cleaning as you go, so that way it doesn't make a mess, because boy, let me tell you what, we have got quite a bit of the mess going on. I'm gonna actually clean some of this up before we keep going to town on this, get it swept up and whatnot. I'm gonna move my daughter's power wheel here because we got a little bit in there. I'll take the air gun to that and I'll blow that out. But I mean, what other use do I got from my 26s at this point in time, guys? So it's just money, right? But like I said, I really recommend cleaning as you go, so that way, you know, you don't end up with a big pile of this little magic fluff here. So, you know, we all love asbestos. That's what it is. I don't know if it's asbestos. Well, guys, so we did get the headliner wrapped up. I'm sorry this was such a short video. In the future, I am going to definitely try to do a longer walkthrough video. But we got the black suede on. We got all 1,000 stars put in. He did ask if we could put like his Instagram handle in there. And when I started mapping it out, I was going to. We did not, but I was going to. But when I started mapping it out, because it's only one kit, in order to make it stand out from the rest of the stars, we would have had to leave a big chunk, like just with nothing in it other than just his name. And I personally, along with a couple other opinions, because I pondered on this for like a good few hours, I personally did not think that would actually look good. So I made a judgment call. I really hope he likes it. And we just went ahead and we just installed the stars. It would look really good if we did like his name with, you know, another kit or something of that nature, you know, with the 1,000 stars. That would look good because then it would stand out for sure. But we got it in, and like I said, I apologize. I'm going to try in the future to, you know, get a longer tutorial video of doing something like this. I hope you guys enjoyed the little bit that I did have. I'm literally trying to get back into the flow of doing more vlogging style content for you guys. But we got it done. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna flip the camera around, and I'm gonna give you a little walk around and show you guys before he gets here of what this thing looks like. I think it turned out immaculate. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys what's going on. So check it out. Let me go ahead and show you guys what's going on in here. So as you can see, we got 1,000 stars. We got black suede for the headliner. They are RGBW twinkle mode, so they do change colors. They do the whole 9. They cycle through. What else do we got here? They got music mode, and they are Bluetooth controlled. So right now they're going with the music and the sound of my voice. It is a really nice kit. But like I said, if you guys can see what I'm talking about, he wanted his like Instagram handle like right here by his front light, right there by his front dome light. And we would have had to like make a big block with just, and I thought it would have looked tacky. But we did get stars, like we are all the way up under the visors, both sides, all the way up. And then I'm not trying to show too much of his stuff off here. Try to keep somewhat of customer privacy, but we ended up mounting the Starlight box right there. So it runs through back behind the seats, up through, and then into the headliner. That's what it is. That's what it turned out to. And I know his doors are a little squeaky, just as like a customer appreciation type deal. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lube up his doors with some white lithium grease up in here, so that way it can help get rid of that squeak maybe. But that's what we got, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, in the future we are going to try to do something so that way these segments are a little longer in these installs. But like I said, this time I was just a little pressed for time. I had 2 days off and he really wanted to get it done, and I was like, all right, let's make it happen. Last night I was really stressing. I was texting a couple people and I'm like, man, I don't think I'm gonna get this done in 2 days. And got up this morning at 5:30, started on at like 5:30 in the morning, and just started rocking and rolling. And by I think 1 o'clock had the headliner back in the truck and everything cleaned up. I went ahead, I wiped the truck down, wiped the inside down, vacuumed everything because we had the seats out. So I gave him a nice little vacuum under the seats. I'm not a detailer, guys. I didn't do a full detail, but I did clean it up some. So I hope he does. I hope he appreciates it, man. I hope he likes it. But stick around till the end, and if I remember, I'm gonna try to throw in a little clip of his reaction. So we'll see what happens. Peace out for now, guys.